to just give an overview about what it is that we're doing. Obviously, we're living life here in the Tacoma.
We're going out in the woods and trying to spend a night there.
This is by no means an ultralight camping excursion. And then the goal is to catch 5 trout. Well, we're gonna eat them at home.
It's not what I signed up for.
So somehow we got to get all of this
Bro, we'll do it, okay?
tent,
One way or another.
couple sleeping pads, some fishing gear.
About to take this lead.
I've got the Osprey 65 sleeping bag in there. Some cooking supplies. What are you doing over there?
Taking a leak.
Sleeping bag. You have to carry that. Raincoats. It's not supposed to rain, so we should be solid on that front. Some camera gear. We'll get it. See what this is all about. Hopefully get a fire started. Dude, way too much stuff. Well, look, man. The sun's gonna be going down here. We gotta find a spot, camp, set up, and ultimately.
You don't even need all of this.
Probably not, but
It's a whole night. We're not gonna need a lot of this stuff.
But it'll be cool though to have.
The thing that we'd
be
really
comfortable.
need is the tent and the sleeping bags, and then some food and a little bit of water.
That's really all we have in our fishing gear. Although it's supposed to be windy, it is actually pretty decent back here. We got a lot of good cover. Get the tent set up. Nice little quiet spot underneath the solid
Nice and
pine.
for sure.
Just grab those little broken sticks up for kindling. 2-man tent. Smells like a camp. Right?
Yeah, it's nice and piney right here. So, make it smell better with the pine.
Yeah, well, these trees are solid.
And then behind us we got a nice little view.
Yeah, and nice
View of
view
the
of the
river too.
creek. Yeah, we need to get some more firewood though. Be catching some trout in the morning.
These pine needles.
We got a little camp set up.
You know what I'm saying? I saw a spider around here earlier making a web. Making noise.
So you got her done, huh?
I mean, I said I was gonna get her done.
A little bit of warmth. Kind of protected back here.
This is a nice night.
Boots. It is a nice night.
It's a pretty decent fire for the time it took me to make it.
Yeah. Need to find some more of that dry oak. Pure flintstone.
Definitely wasn't
Flint and stone,
this
right?
good old Bic lighter or
You use
anything.
what's available to you.
I mean, fire is a fire.
Get up in the morning, catch some trout.
Bring trout home, cook it, eat it.
What's it remind you of?
It reminds me of green apple Rockstar with like a hint, like a small hint of rocks or alcohol in it.
Well, it's a citrus brew. I don't know if you can see the moon through the trees there. It's nice.
Still a pretty nice view though.
Patrol the borders and keep this
Really,
town
dude?
as clean as a Jewish porno. I own 4.
So I'm rolling with the Sea to Summit. A little bit of protection
I'm watching
from the
a
ground.
Family Guy.
Got an inflatable pillow. Trusty Big Agnes sleeping bag. Yours is rated down to 20, buddy.
That's
20
fine.
degrees, and it's only supposed to get down to like 45 tonight, so we're good.
Mm-hmm.
So just a little 2-man
I think I'll just watch Family Guy
2 seasons.
and chill.
So it's time to go fishing.
Pretty soon, yeah.
Yeah.
It's way too comfortable in the sleeping bag.
You got a thermometer in your bag.
It wasn't cold at all last night, and I slept in my underwear.
All right, well, hey. Pretty comfortable night's sleep, actually. It was calm, it was quiet. Stars were out. It was a pretty cool sight being out here, away from the city lights. A little windier than I'd like it. Hopefully I catch a few fish here.
I'm getting some pictures, my guy, of the stream.
Once we get this tent taken down. All right, quick tip for trout fishing. I use a 6-foot light power St. Croix rod with the Stratic 1000 series reel. Super nice, 6-pound. Main line, I like to use the color because of the visibility is much better. And then for a leader, I use a 4-pound mono because it floats. A small assortment of split shot running anywhere from 12 to 18 inches up your line. And you can use minnows, you can use night crawlers, anything flashy. What I will do with the treble hook is cut one tine off so it's a little bit smaller. It prevents snags when you're on that rocky bottom. And then you can just put 2 of the gulp on there, and that's generally enough attractant in clear water to get those fish to notice it. Little trout. Not big enough to keep, so we'll try to let him go. So this is a little bit of a sauce. Stubbs, sticky sweet legendary barbecue sauce with butter. Once this fish is done, drizzle it over the fish. Makes for a nice taste with a little bit of zest.